Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this Dress to Impress tutorial, we are channeling the queen of chic herself, Hanna Marin, with a fierce fashion-forward outfit that's all about confidence, bold choices, and effortless play. If you want to know how to create this look, let me show you each step. So first, I'm going to put on the hair. For the hair, first I'm going to put on this wavy hair and color it like this. And I'm going to combine it with this curly hair. This one. Last one, click on the feminine category and scroll all the way down until you find this hair. This hair. Put it on and color it the same. So that's for the hair, and let's make the outfit. First I'm going to put on this long sleeves and color it black. And then for the skirt, I'm going to wear this one and use this flower pattern, this one. Also this biker short to cover the belly. And I'm going to put on this cup in here and change the color into pink. And I'm going to grab this bag, change the color into white and the second one into black. And let's go to the fitting room in here and put on this skirt from Currency Items. This skirt in here, toggle it into number 5 and remove the texture and change. Number 4, and use this the same pattern. And for the shoe, I'm going to grab this boots from the code items, this one, and color it all black. So this is the final look for Hanna Marin. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.